Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete an Instagram comment. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app. Firstly, I am going to delete comment from my image. So for this, tap on your profile icon at the bottom. And from here you have to open any image. So I'm going to tap on this one. From here, tap on the comments icon. Here you can see a comment. To delete this, all you need to do is simply press and hold the finger on the comment. And then tap on delete from here. And then you can see that my comment has been deleted. So now I'm going to show you how to delete comments from someone's post. First of all, tap on the comment icon. I am going to post a comment here, for example. Now, to delete this comment, all you need to do is press and hold the finger on the comment, and then tap on the delete icon from here. So that is how you can delete a comment on Instagram. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.